Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 15th of July. And first of all, national news. Karnataka ready to release 8,000 cusecs Kaveri water to Tamil Nadu, CM. At 100 million, PM Modi is most followed world leader on X today. Defense Ministry paid tribute to Kargil war heroes on 25th of anniversary. Lord Jagannath Temple in Puri, Odisha's Ratna Bhandar unlocked after 46 years. Supreme Court ordered BMW to pay 50 lakh compensation to customer for defective car. Now some international news. KP Sharma Oli appointed Nepal's new prime minister. It was God alone who prevented Trump on assassination attempt. Hamas said it has not left ceasefire talks after Israeli attacks. Global leaders condemned assassination attempt targeting former US President Donald Trump. And Britain's new government plans over 35 bills for parliament opening. And now some sports news. BCCI to provide rupees 1 crore financial assistance for Anshuman Gaikwad's cancer treatment. Wimbledon 2024 final, Carlos Alcaraz defeated Novak Djokovic to retain crown. France Bastille Day parade met the Olympic torch relay in an exceptional year. Now, news related to business. MTNL on the brink of debt default knocked on government door for funds. Zomato Swiggy hike platform fee by 20% to rupees 6 per order. Modi government will be focusing on creating more employment in media and entertainment industry, Ashwin Vaishnav. Australia relaxed rules for temporary workers to find new employers. And that's all in news. Thank you.